Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking smart. Choose flat ground and engage the parking brake so nothing shifts. Get the right vehicle. Make sure its hitch rating meets the trailer capacity because towing mismatches cause damage. Once parked, position the trailer tongue about 0.5 to 1 meter from the hitch and lower the coupler until it's just above the ball. Take your time here. Precise alignment saves you hassle during coupling and prevents repeated adjustments. Now you couple and lock. Lower the coupler fully onto the ball, engage the latch, and secure any locking pin so the coupler can't pop up. Then attach safety chains in an X beneath the tongue to catch the trailer if separation occurs, and plug in the trailer electrical connector. Test brake lights and indicators immediately. Once lights are confirmed, raise the jack so weight transfers to the hitch. Make sure chains have slight slack and the latch is tight, because loose connections are the main failure point. Finish with a full walk-around inspection. Confirm lights, check the coupler latch, inspect safety chains, and verify trailer tires. Then perform a short, slow test move, just a few meters, and listen for clunks while watching how the trailer tracks. Once done, recheck coupler seating and chain slack. If you encounter wobble or odd noises, stop immediately. You should reseat the coupler, tighten chains, and rebalance cargo so the tongue weight is correct. That single troubleshooting step fixes most on-the-spot issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.